I picked fresh tomatoes. Look at these beauties. Time to enjoy the garden. Nothing better than homegrown. I picked fresh tomatoes. I picked fresh tomatoes. I raked the leaves. I raked the leaves. This plant is taller now. This plant is taller now. I just dug a hole. I just dug a hole. I just dug a hole. I gave them a little water. I gave them a little water. A new plant is growing. A new plant is growing. I washed the bugs away. I washed the bugs away. This is my favorite tool. This is my favorite tool. I cleaned up the leaves. I cleaned up the leaves. I cleaned up the leaves. My garden looks great. My garden looks great. I added new soil. I added new soil. I added new soil. This leaf looks healthy. This leaf looks healthy. You are growing well. You are growing well. I trimmed the bushes. I trimmed the bushes. I cleaned the leaf. I cleaned the leaf. I planted some seeds. I planted some seeds. It's time to water. It's time to water. I planted a tree. I planted a tree. I planted a tree. I planted a tree. I watered the flowers. I watered the flowers. I watered the flowers. This compost is good. This compost is good. This flower smells nice. This flower smells nice. This flower smells nice. I planted these in a row. I planted these in a row. I loosened the soil. I loosened the soil. I harvested my vegetables. I harvested my vegetables. I harvested my vegetables. I supported the plant. I supported the plant. I supported the plant. The soil feels moist. The soil feels moist. I repotted this plant. I repotted this plant. I repotted this plant. These carrots are big. These carrots are big. I planted 5 flowers. I planted 5 flowers. I pulled out the weeds. I pulled out the weeds. My gloves are dirty. My gloves are dirty. I added mulch. I added mulch. I added mulch. I added mulch. The weather is perfect today. The weather is perfect today. I watered my garden. I watered my garden. I cleaned my tools. I cleaned my tools.
Whoo! That was good exercise. That was good exercise. I picked fresh herbs. I picked fresh herbs. I'm a little tired. I'm a little tired.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, Learn English Today. See you tomorrow, garden. See you tomorrow, garden.